theory, but don't worry, this is very important stuff. So as always, the risk warning, it's very important stuff. And it's something which I discovered myself as I was going through. Okay, so we're going to look at the technical titans, as they call the 5 technical titans, and then we'll just look very briefly strategies and indicators. I know you guys, you probably know a lot about this, but just let this get in and it will help you as we get into market maker and all that. Okay, so if you guys don't know, or maybe you've heard, anyone ever heard of any of these guys? Charles Henry Dow, Ralph Elliot.
Is Ralph Elliot responsible for the Elliott waves?
Yes, exactly. And all these other guys, Merrill, Wycoff. You've heard of them? Okay.
Just Elliott, the Elliott waves.
Just Elliot. Okay, I'll tell you why I picked these guys. Okay, so as we've seen, retail traders, we don't ignore the news, right? Fundamental stuff, but we put more emphasis on technical stuff. And as we said, in trading, history always seems to repeat itself, just like in life, right? So it's because human behavior does not change, because price is affected by human behavior. The big guys who control the money and the small guys who are also part of the game, okay? So technical analysis will never be outdated. All these guys that are listed here, I don't even think there's any one of them who lived after 1960, but in like the late 18th century, I mean, the 1900s, they up to like 1930, 1940, but their methods are still being used today. So we'll just look briefly at what these guys, what they brought to the table, and it will help you in your trading, okay? Because there are many indicators which are made according to what these guys wrote about, okay? So this guy, John Alexander Dow, if you've heard of the Dow Jones, you've heard of the Dow Jones, guys? The Dow Jones Index in the States, right? Yes. Okay, so Dow, he was a journalist, and you've heard of the Wall Street Journal as well, right?
Yes.
It's one of the most read financial magazines. So he started the Wall Street Journal because he wanted true news about the markets, because he was tired of hearing a whole lot of speculation. So he just started off saying he wants to tell the truth, okay? And then he got deeper and deeper, and he ended up analyzing charts and all that sort of thing. But he noticed one important thing. He noticed that in every market, there are 3 trends. This is what he said. He said there's the primary trend. This is like the really big trend. Then he said there's a secondary trend, which is like slightly smaller. Then there's a minor trend. Okay. So, and then he said trends have got 3 phases: accumulation phase, public participation, and distribution. Okay. We'll look at this door. And then something else which he stated, he said the averages must confirm each other. I'll explain this. Volume must confirm, that's a stocks thing. And the trend is assumed to be in fact until it gives signal that it's reversed. We'll look at this in Market Maker and you will understand it so much more clearly. And what I wanted you guys to see is just like when you're drawing the trend lines, you'll notice something like this in the charts. You'll see price rising in some form of a channel, right? Sort of hits a resistance, and then it drops. So all this guy Dow was saying is that a trend, as long as it's still going up, making higher highs, higher lows, we are saying this trend is still a bullish trend up until it drops, okay? So that's just something for us to know. Up until it's reversed, and we'll get into this so we can see clearly how to know a trend has reversed. Then there's something important. I'll show you guys this on level 3, how we can apply it in FX. He said the averages must confirm. So what this guy did, like with the Dow Jones average, what it actually is, it's basically, it's a selection of stocks, right? It's a selection of stocks, and then they make up an average price. So if Amazon is trading at $100, what do you call this other one here? Google is trading at $50. Facebook is trading at $60. They add all the shares up and divide them by the number of shares. So what he did is when he was studying stocks, what he said was, okay, if we're talking about, say, the banking industry, we're going to look at Standard Bank, FNB, ABSA, we'll look at the shares of the prices of the prices of the shares of the big banks, right? Put them all together, divide them by how many they are, and then we'll get a general trend. So you are saying basically, you use an example of industrial average index and transport. So all the businesses that deal in industry and all the businesses that deal in transport, he summed up the big companies' shares, gave an average. So what you are saying is that if industrial index is going down, it means that production is going down. If production is going down, then later on we can expect that what? Transport is going to go down because there'll be no one to be delivering all the produce and stuff like that. Okay, so that.
Okay, I just wanted to show you something quickly on the website for you to watch the rest of this full video as well as the full course of this level 1 forex trading course. You need to come and sign up here. It's completely free. Okay, so first subscribe to the YouTube channel, right, and then come and sign up here. All we want is we just want to be able to contact you so we can keep you updated with whenever we release some new trading stuff. So you just put your name, you put your surname there, your email address and your contact number. That's so that if you want to receive stuff via WhatsApp or Telegram, we can send you something. Now this is not going to be any spam. Quite frankly, myself, I've had enough with scams and spam and all that. So we're only going to give you some legit, genuine content that will help you. And then you can just come here and click. If you want just the free, you just click I want to receive free stuff, and then you'll be able to download as well on the website. Here we've got all trading books which are useful. I don't just put junk on here. So I'll give you the entire market maker trading book. I'll give you the entire, I think we've got some good psychology books. We've got a whole lot of stuff. You just come over to the tools here. All right, so this, once you sign up, you'll be able to watch the rest of this video. Okay, and you have to send your email address because that's how you'll be able to watch the hidden videos on YouTube. Okay, so you can come over here and then you'll be able to access, as you can see further down here, downloads. Okay, so you're gonna get this whole level 1 free. That's what I'm gonna give you. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this for free, but for now I just want to give it for free. Okay, and then you'll get these books on the left hand side. Okay, so I don't know how long I'm going to keep this for free, but for now, guys, I'm making this free for traders who really want to learn. So take advantage of it. All right, so and then you can watch the rest of the video. So happy trading, guys, and remember that the market is always right.
Learn, then earn money online. You control your money. You control the risk and the reward. Start from as little as $10. Stop losing to get-rich-quick scams and pyramid schemes. Learn a legitimate skill of online trading. Already a trader? Stop donating to brokers. Become independent. Stop relying on signals and careless account managers. Learn to trade the market maker way. Take our course and follow the rules of big banks and smart money. Get wisdom. Get understanding. Get wealth. Contact MarketWise Traders today.